What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Priya. My name is Priya.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 25 years old. I'm 25 years old.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Chennai. I live in Chennai.
Are you a student? Are you a student?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
What do you do? What do you do?
I work as a teacher. I work as a teacher.
Are you married? Are you married?
No, I'm single. No, I'm single.
What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m. I usually wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you drink tea or coffee? Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink coffee. I drink coffee.
What did you eat for breakfast? What did you eat for breakfast?
I had dosa and chutney. I had dosa and chutney.
How do you go to work? How do you go to work?
I go by bus. I go by bus.
Do you know the answer? Do you know the answer?
Yes, it's 12. Yes, it's 12.
Is that your phone? Is that your phone?
No, it's my sister's. No, it's my sister's.
Are you tired? Are you tired?
Yes, I need rest. Yes, I need rest.
Is there a hospital nearby? Is there a hospital nearby?
Yes, just down the road. Yes, just down the road.
What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject?
I like English. I like English.
Are you watching TV? Are you watching TV?
No, I'm studying. No, I'm studying.
Can you speak slowly? Can you speak slowly?
Sure. Sure.
What's your goal? What's your goal?
I want to speak fluent English. I want to speak fluent English.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready.
Do you live with your parents? Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
A little bit. A little bit.
What are you doing now? What are you doing now?
I'm practicing English. I'm practicing English.
Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I'm free after 5 p.m. Yes, I'm free after 5 p.m.
What's your phone number? What's your phone number?
It's 987-654-3210. It's 987-654-3210.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
I love biryani. I love biryani.
Do you like music? Do you like music?
Yes, I enjoy listening to music. Yes, I enjoy listening to music.
Can you help me? Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need? Sure, what do you need?
What's the time? What's the time?
It's 3:15 p.m. It's 3:15 p.m.
Are you busy? Are you busy?
Not right now. Not right now.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have a dog.
Is it raining? Is it raining?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
What do you like to watch on TV? What do you like to watch on TV?
I like comedy shows. I like comedy shows.
What is your favorite fruit? What is your favorite fruit?
Mango is my favorite. Mango is my favorite.
Do you like reading? Do you like reading?
Yes, I read every day. Yes, I read every day.
Where do you usually shop? Where do you usually shop?
At the local market. At the local market.
Are you learning English? Are you learning English?
Yes, I practice every day. Yes, I practice every day.
Do you like sports? Do you like sports?
Yes, I like cricket. Yes, I like cricket.
Can you swim? Can you swim?
No, I can't. No, I can't.
How do you feel today? How do you feel today?
I feel great. I feel great.
What do you wear to work? What do you wear to work?
I wear a formal shirt and pants. I wear a formal shirt and pants.
What's your hobby? What's your hobby?
I like painting. I like painting.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
I'm going to the market. I'm going to the market.
Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling. Yes, I love traveling.
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue.
What are you watching? What are you watching?
I'm watching a movie. I'm watching a movie.
Is this your bag? Is this your bag?
Yes, it's mine. Yes, it's mine.
What's the weather like? What's the weather like?
It's sunny and hot. It's sunny and hot.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Yes, a little. Yes, a little.
What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?
I want some rice. I want some rice.
What are you reading? What are you reading?
I'm reading a storybook. I'm reading a storybook.
Do you go to the gym? Do you go to the gym?
No, I exercise at home. No, I exercise at home.
Are you working today? Are you working today?
Yes, I have work. Yes, I have work.
What's your favorite festival? What's your favorite festival?
I love Diwali. I love Diwali.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Did you go out yesterday? Did you go out yesterday?
Yes, with my friends. Yes, with my friends.
What time is lunch? What time is lunch?
Around 1 p.m. Around 1 p.m.
Are you watching a movie? Are you watching a movie?
Yes, it's a comedy. Yes, it's a comedy.
Do you cook every day? Do you cook every day?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Have you been to Bangalore? Have you been to Bangalore?
No, not yet. No, not yet.
Do you like your job? Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it. Yes, I enjoy it.
What's the date today? What's the date today?
It's the 5th of April. It's the 5th of April.
Do you go to school? Do you go to school?
No, I finished school. No, I finished school.
Are you listening? Are you listening?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
What are you learning now? What are you learning now?
I'm learning English grammar. I'm learning English grammar.
What is your dream? What is your dream?
To become a teacher. To become a teacher.
Are you free now? Are you free now?
Yes, let's talk. Yes, let's talk.
How is your family? How is your family?
They are good. They are good.
Can you write in English? Can you write in English?
Yes, a little. Yes, a little.
Did you call me? Did you call me?
Yes, I needed help. Yes, I needed help.
Are you online? Are you online?
Yes, I'm here. Yes, I'm here.
Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here it is. Sure, here it is.
Did you do your homework? Did you do your homework?
Yes, I finished it. Yes, I finished it.
Are you at the office? Are you at the office?
No, I'm at home. No, I'm at home.
Are you watching YouTube? Are you watching YouTube?
Yes, an English video. Yes, an English video.
Did you go to the shop? Did you go to the shop?
Yes, I bought fruits. Yes, I bought fruits.
Do you like learning English? Do you like learning English?
Yes, very much. Yes, very much.
Do you live alone? Do you live alone?
No, with my family. No, with my family.
Are you ready to start? Are you ready to start?
Yes, let's begin. Yes, let's begin.
Can you send me the link? Can you send me the link?
Sure, one moment. Sure, one moment.
Are you enjoying this? Are you enjoying this?
Yes, it's very useful. Yes, it's very useful.
Do you like rain? Do you like rain?
Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it.
Have you eaten? Have you eaten?
Yes, I had lunch. Yes, I had lunch.
Are you at home? Are you at home?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Is your phone working? Is your phone working?
No, the battery is dead. No, the battery is dead.
Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me?
Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go.
What language do you speak at home? What language do you speak at home?
I speak Tamil. I speak Tamil.
Do you use WhatsApp? Do you use WhatsApp?
Yes, every day. Yes, every day.
Are you feeling cold? Are you feeling cold?
Yes, a little. Yes, a little.
Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
What time is your class? What time is your class?
It's at 10 a.m. It's at 10 a.m.
Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here it is. Sure, here it is.
Did you do your homework? Did you do your homework?
Yes, I finished it. Yes, I finished it.
Are you at the office? Are you at the office?
No, I'm at home. No, I'm at home.
Are you watching YouTube? Are you watching YouTube?
Yes, an English video. Yes, an English video.
Did you go to the shop? Did you go to the shop?
Yes, I bought fruits. Yes, I bought fruits.
Do you like learning English? Do you like learning English?
Yes, very much. Yes, very much.
Do you live alone? Do you live alone?
No, with my family. No, with my family.
Are you ready to start? Are you ready to start?
Yes, let's begin. Yes, let's begin.
Can you send me the link? Can you send me the link?
Sure, one moment. Sure, one moment.
Are you enjoying this? Are you enjoying this?
Yes, it's very useful. Yes, it's very useful.